A light bulb with a current of 0.8 ampere is left burning for 25 minutes. How much electric charge passes through the filament of the bulb? So I equals to delta Q divided by time. I is electric current in terms of ampere. Delta Q is the charge in terms of coulomb, and T is time in terms of second. So 1 ampere equivalent to 1 coulomb per second. So it's going to be 0.8 is going to be the ampere. Delta Q we don't know. T we have it in 25, but we need to convert it to seconds. So it's going to be delta Q divided by 25 times 60, that will be 1500. So delta Q is going to be 0.8 times 1500. That will be 1200 coulomb.